church bells.
Oh, sing that, Nene.
No.
Sing that, Camille.
If you sing that, then I'll sing Dinah Washington, Teach Me Tonight.
I don't know what that is.
No, if you sing your old standard, I'll sing my old
I'll sing
standard.
my old standard of some Dorothy Dandridge.
No,
Okay, sing that.
song right there.
I can't sing that song.
Yes, you can, Nene.
I bet it would sound nice. Try it.
The camera off.
No.
Yes.
Go ahead.
No.
Okay,
No.
okay, sing Dorothy Dandridge.
Who am I? No.
Kayla.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be like, blood. That little boy.
No.
BBGD.
What's that from?
Blood. BBGD. Not funny. Come on, Amy. It's okay. Sing Dorothy Dandridge then.
No, I can't do it now. I'm camera shy.
Go ahead, Nene. Sing that song. I've heard the church bells ringing.
You know mom recorded. Did you
Mama.
record it?
No.
Your mama.
Yes, I heard.
Sing,
Sing it,
Nene.
Nene.
No.
Go ahead, Nene.
No.
So later on you can look up and be like, Dad, I ain't sound
Okay,
that bad.
cut the camera, Tansy. Let her practice.
No, because I want her to be able to look back when they be like, Dad, I ain't sound that bad. I should have sang.
Go ahead, Nene. This is just for us.
When I was a little girl, I went to church in Arizona. And that is
You gonna do
where
your hair tonight?
I heard the
Well, go ahead and sing that
bells.
song so we can get started.
Do you hear that mess?
Yep.
Mama,
Sing
don't
Sing
start
that song so we
that.
can get started, Nene. Go ahead.
Mama.
Go ahead.
I sing the basement.
You sing in the basement? What's that?
I want to sing it in the basement.
No.
She sounds so. She gonna sing it in a piece.
Come on, sing.
Nene, you are a trip.
I ain't want to sing. I don't do that. But the spotlight's on me. I ain't going to
You
sing.
are so fun. I'm singing basement.
I need my, where are the words to my song?
Oh, goodness.
You funny, Mama. I had another song we could have sang, but I forgot. I don't remember.
Sing that song, Camille. Sing that song.
You gotta sing a song by yourself.
Okay.
Go ahead, Ma, you do yours first.
Nope, Camille first.
Nope, you first.
Nope, Camille first.
No, I want you to sing in the camera.
Camille's first.
Lord, I said I'm so glad,
So glad.
so glad, so glad that I've crossed that. Mama, where you at? Separation line. Oh yeah, I'm so. Whoa, what is that? Glad, so glad. I'm mighty, mighty glad. So glad that I've left this sinful world behind, world behind. Oh, sometimes my body gets fever, my body gets fever. You know, sometimes
Right with pain.
alright with pain.
Why?
Because I'm so glad, so glad. I'm mighty, mighty glad. So glad that I've left this sinful world behind, world behind. But oh, sometimes my body gets fever, my body gets fever. You know, sometimes
alright with pain.
I'm alright with pain. Because I'm so glad, so glad. I'm mighty, mighty, mighty glad. So glad that I've left this sinful world. Left this sinful world. Thank you, Jesus. sweet.